At the end of 2012, 24% of 16 to 24-year-olds in Wales were unemployed. That's nearly 3% higher than the UK average. And one thing that young people really struggle with is actually getting their foot in the door into industry.
It would be great to do work experience, where I'm asked to do more than just make a cup of tea.
So the amount of employers that are constantly coming back saying, you need experience, but how do you get experience? That is what our project will address.
It would be great if I could do more on-wheel experience than stacking shelves.
So Foot in the Door is for young people aged 60 to 24 in South Wales, and the pilot is going to focus on the creative industries. So whether you're looking to get into journalism, writing for a magazine, photography, web design, then we'll help you to get your foot in the door.
So here's the solution. You come onto our website, Foot in the Door, and you ask for that specific real experience that you need, and we will match you with an employer that is actually looking for somebody to do that. So we've made the match. You'll then go on your placement, go and see the employer and get the experience that you need to actually get the job that you want.
For an employer, they can get to meet a young person and have them in the office, not necessarily on a paid basis or on a contract basis, but get to know them, get to know their skills. Maybe the young person can kind of create their own role. If an employer wanted something specifically done, so maybe make a video, moderate their social networking pages, Facebook, promote their Twitter, Instagram, make a video, go around taking photos. Anything that they think a young person could bring to a role that perhaps people in their company couldn't do at the moment.
Another really huge benefit, and one that we all know, is that the amount of people in creative industries that get jobs because they got a foot in the door is really high. Within our own organisation, young people are coming in and they're doing a job, and actually that job is becoming something that we really need. So they're starting to create a role for themselves, and off the back of that, they might be offered 1 day a week, 2 days a week, up to full-time employment. And this is something we've seen time and time again. We're ProMo-Cymru, and we've been working with young people in the creative industries for over 15 years. We've got a huge wealth of experience of working in digital projects. We deliver thesprout.co.uk, which is Cardiff's info and news site for young people.
Red Button is the drugs and alcohol awareness website for young people in Cardiff.
Mike Cymru, which is the national helpline for young people throughout the whole of Wales.
Click Online is the interactive information and news website for young people aged 11 to 25 in Wales.
Ebbw Institute, which is a centre that we transformed in an area in Ebbw into a creative community hub. We run countless social media projects. At the moment, we're actually developing a whole plan to take the whole of Cardiff Youth Service online in a virtual sense.
It's all about communication and interaction for creating sustainable communities.